In today's video, I'm going to be going over what's in my tech bag. These are my everyday tech essentials for work, programming, travel, and content in 2026. But first, if you're new here, I'm Derick. I'm a senior front-end engineer working in the gaming industry based here in Los Angeles. I make videos on JavaScript, tech, lifestyle, and working in gaming. So if you're a dev and that sort of thing interests you, consider subscribing. But hey, enough yapping. Let's get into it. First up is the star of the video, and that of course is the bag. This is the Nomadic Navigator 15L, and I cannot recommend this bag enough. Getting this bag is like collecting your 6th Tech Bro Infinity Stone. It's easily one of the most functional bags I've ever owned, and if you're on the go a lot like me, frequently traveling, hybrid at your day job, or you just like to work out of coffee shops or cafes or stuff like that, it is totally worth the investment. It, of course, has a padded laptop sleeve that can fit up to a 16-inch laptop, and it has this cushion divider in the middle so you can store both your personal machine and your work machine if you have one. Or just your laptop and say a tablet, and they will both be protected. It has this spacious hard shell design with plenty of elastic pockets on the inside for various items, an RFID protected pocket that sits at the top, and also this dedicated glasses pocket that's also right at the top for easy access. And this slick hidden mesh water bottle holder that you can expand to use or zip away if you don't need it. Really love this feature. I did make a little custom modification to mine though, where I cut a slit on the inside of the bag where the mesh sleeve lives, so I can also pull it on the inside and just store my water bottle there instead. Kind of wish Nomadic would have just thought of this and added a zipper there, but no big deal. With a little modification, I now have both options. This bag is also travel friendly as it has this strap on the back for stowing on top of your carry-on luggage handle, or you can use it to tuck the back straps away and use either of the side handles and just carry it like a briefcase. So it's kind of cool to have that option. And lastly, the bag is 15 liters, but it does conveniently expand to a full 21 liters with the expansion zipper. So really nice to have that extra room if I need it. Now, on to what I actually keep in my bag. First up is of course my laptop. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro M2 Max. This has been my daily driver for years now, and I have absolutely no complaints. It is a total workhorse and can handle just about anything I throw at it. Whether I'm working on a dev project, designing a large vector file in Illustrator, or editing 4K footage, it doesn't skip a beat. Next up is my camera gear. For my camera body, I'm running the Sony a6400. I know this camera is 6 years old, but it's honestly still the best budget-friendly hybrid shooter out there. It's great for both still photography and video, and it's never once overheated on me, even when recording in 4K resolution for long periods of time. It has a 24 megapixel APS crop sensor, and because it's Sony, you know the image quality and autofocus are entirely on point. For the lenses, I know this guy catches a lot of crap, but I do have the standard kit lens that comes with most Sony cameras. It is good for a wide range of uses, but there are definitely better options out there. I also have a 55 to 210 millimeter f4.5 telephoto and a super wide 11 millimeter f1.8 prime for those wider shots. These three lenses pretty much cover all of the types of shots I like to get when shooting content. I store all of these along with the camera body in a simple padded and adjustable camera pouch that I got on Amazon. For audio, I recently picked up the Rode Wireless Micro camera kit. These are great because I can use them with both my Sony a6400 or any smartphone with the free included USB-C smartphone receiver. This lets me shoot with either my camera or my phone, so super convenient. Complementing the camera are two small tripods, one simple one by Manfrotto and a much more versatile one by SmallRig. The SmallRig tripod is made of steel, has incredible build quality, and can also expand to a few feet if I need it, making it super versatile. It's also great for a small tabletop sort of talking head setup, literally like the one I'm shooting on right now. It also breaks down to a really small size, making it great for travel, can fit in any bag or suitcase really easily. When I'm on the go to stay hydrated, I have the most basic Tech Bro water bottle out there, which is the 17-ounce still water bottle by Lark. I'd I'd say this thing is about on par with the same quality as either Yeti or Hydro Flask. This thing is, let's be honest, it's really more for aesthetics, but it does have great build quality and it keeps my water cold for hours. It's also pretty slim and fits into the water bottle sleeve on the Nomadic bag perfectly. All right, now moving on to more of the tech items. For external storage, I have a 2 terabyte Samsung T9. This thing is tiny and with amazing transfer speeds and is definitely a must-have for anyone working with a lot of media like video. For my headphones, I have a pair of wired AirPods for taking calls since they have that built-in mic, and the audio quality on these is actually surprisingly really great. In addition to these, I have an old pair of Beats Studio 3s with active noise canceling for those louder environments where I just need to lock in. For keeping all of my devices charged, I have this 20,000 milliamp power bank by Anker. It has 87 watt shared power output with a built-in USB-C cable, one USB Type A and one USB Type C port on the side. Having something like this is a lifesaver. I can charge my phone, my camera, my MacBook, anything else basically all at the same time, and it has this nice flat brick design, so it's not too bulky like some other power banks on the market, and it fits into one of the elastic pockets inside of the bag perfectly. For my wallet, I have the Chelsea card holder by VaultScan. I've had this wallet for over 10 years and I still love its slick and minimal design. I hardly feel it when it's in my pocket, and it has this cool elastic strap that you can pull to get access to all of your other cards, and it also has RFID protection built into it. For my key holder, I have this one by KeySmart. It's made of this really high quality leather material and has a built-in wedge for an Apple AirTag just in case they're ever lost or left behind, so really nice to have that baked in. Stored in that convenient pocket at the top of the bag, of course, are my prescription glasses by Ray-Ban, because you know your boy is blind as hell. I literally cannot work without these. Of course, I gotta keep my phone on me. I have the iPhone 16 Pro in black, and I usually just store this in the slim front pocket in the front of the bag. And to top everything off, in case my bag is ever lost, left behind, or stolen, I have an Apple AirTag hidden away in the RFID pocket for tracking. And that's about it. These are my typical everyday carry items for working on the go, travel, development, and content. I will link everything featured in this video down below in the description just in case anybody's interested. But that is gonna do it for this one, y'all. If you enjoyed this, definitely hit that like button. I will catch you all in the next one. Take care.